I'm here with my Dash Flex Press grill system and a package of chicken wings, and I am going to be making grilled chicken wings. Counter cooking. No kitchen? No problem. This is something that I made a week or two ago and they came out really good, so I thought I would film a video and share this. And I have a package of, these are Stew Leonard's Stew's Naked Chicken Party Wings, and I need to use these up, so that's why I am going to be making these. Here's the package of chicken wings, and these are the smaller pieces. So there are the wingettes and the drumettes, I believe that's what they're called. The pieces that look like the little drumsticks, and then the other pieces that look like a little piece of a wing. I'm gonna rinse this off, and then what I'm going to do is I'm actually gonna cook these in 2 batches. First I'm gonna cook the wingettes, then I'll cook the drumsticks. Here's my Flex Press grill system. I have the grill plates in and it's been heating up already. So I'm just gonna take my chicken wings and put them on. And the reason why I'm only using the wingettes is because they're not as thick as the little drumstick portions. So this should cook better when they're all the same height. There are all the chicken pieces on the grill. Let's shut this. And I'm gonna let that cook for about 15 minutes. It's been about 10 minutes now. Let's check on these wings. Wow, look at that. Look at those grill marks. I'm wondering if these are done already. I'm gonna grab a thermometer. And these read 190, 195. These are done already. Yeah, these are probably, I wonder if they're gonna be dried out. So I'm gonna remove these from the grill. This is what the bottom looks like, nice and brown. Here are the drumstick portions, the little drumettes. Let's shut that and let's cook these. It's about 12 minutes later and there's been a whole bunch of splattering going on, which I've just wiped up, but this whole area was like all grease splatter. Let's open up the grill and see what's going on. Here are the chicken wings. I'm gonna grab a thermometer. We're at 180, so these should be done. I'm gonna remove these from the grill. I don't know what's going on with this chicken wing, but can you see this? It's like growing hair. There's like a whole bunch of hair coming off this chicken wing. Obviously, I cooked these plain. I did not put any seasoning or sauce on them or anything. And the reason why is because I'm merely illustrating how you can cook chicken wings in this appliance. So now let's taste one of these wings. This is the grill side, and then here's the other side. They're cooked really well. I like that the outside is a bit crispy and the inside is nice and juicy. And they do have a nice grilled flavor from the charred grill marks. They definitely taste like grilled chicken wings. And here's one of the little drumettes. This one is piping hot. They definitely need to cool down a bit more. And so that's how you can grill chicken wings in this Dash Flex Press grill system. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up. Please subscribe to this channel if you'd like to see what else we can make in this mini appliance. Leave a comment below and let me know your favorite way to eat chicken wings. Do you have a favorite seasoning for them? Do you have a favorite sauce for them? Leave a comment below and let me know about that. Thanks so much for watching. Have a great day. Bye.